Hi all. So in this video we will discuss about TestNG priority order, right? So in here, before that, the priority attribute in TestNG is used to control the execution order, right, of test methods, right? So uh, you can create execution order of the test methods in one class. So test methods with lower priority values execute before higher priority values. For example, a test with priority 1, right, runs before test with priority 2, right? Okay, so then I have create a demo class, right, which is called TestNG priority demo, right? And I created a couple of test methods, right? There are 4 test methods. Okay, so first of all I will run this class without defining priority attributes, right? Okay, so we'll see the results. We'll see the results. Then here you can see that test method 1, 2, 3, 4 is printed respectively, and here that test method 1 is the uh, 1 is in the bottom, right? Then 2, 3, 4 likewise. 4 test method 4 is in the top, right? So then what we can do is we can define TestNG attribute, right? TestNG priority attribute, right? So we can define priority attribute like this way, right? So we can say like priority is equal 1, priority is equal 1, and then we can define like priority 2, right? And here priority uh, priority 3, right? Priority 3, and priority 4, right? Priority 4, right? Then I will then again execute that test class, right? uh, then we'll see the results again, right? We'll see the results again. Here you can now see that test method example, right? If you take out first example, first printed the test method 1, right? So which takes the alphabetic order 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. Okay, our latest results, right? Our latest result, which is 4, 3, 2, 1, that means it goes with priority order, right? Priority 1 print first, right? So then what we can do is, right, I will just remove the priority from here, right? Remove the priority from here. Okay, and then print this one again, right? Execute this test class again, right? Here so once I execute this test class, right, so now you can see that test method 1, that means bottom class, print first, that means priority 0, then 1, 2, 3 like this. That means if you do not assign priority to any test method, so it will take that priority as 0 priority, right? That means first print the 0 priority and then 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise, right? Okay, so then the priority 1 comes first, 2, then 3. The first one is 0, that means no priority, right?